Hello, this is the walkthrough for the Daily Telegraph prize crossword on the Saturday the 27th of Feb, number 29,610. We'll start with the cross clues. There's a couple of doozers today. We'll start with one across. Rush head teacher limiting right for extended time off. So head teacher in olden days it was called beak, limiting right, so taking in R for right. And rush in this case, it's going to be rushes in run around, which you can say somebody careers around, can't you? So I think this one's going to be career break. And then 7 across, reportedly charged criminal gang finding dried up food. Well, I think dried up food is going to be biltong, and a tong actually is a sort of Chinese criminal gang, and the homophone for bill to charge somebody, biltong. 8 across, stay away from castle in the open. Well, another name for a castle is a keep. And so a castle in the open could be a keep that's out. And keep out means stay away. 10, comedian entertains a minister. So a comedian could be a chaplain, Charlie Chaplin. Entertaining a, taking an A in gives us a chaplain as in a padre or a minister. 11 across, what might be appropriate in the air? Well, it's not appropriate, it's appropriate as in steal. In the air, you might hijack a plane. 13 across, powerful type, court going after banker. So C for court, and the banker is going to be a river, and the river I think is going to be the X, E-X-E. So it gives us exec for a powerful type. 14 across, feature cool American animal. A feature could be a chin, and if you cool something, I don't know if this really works, but it's going to be chinchilla, isn't it, for an American animal? Sorry, cool is chill, and A for American gives us chinchilla. 16 across, meal arranged, anagram of meal, then on new piece of furniture is going to be N for new, and then table, it's going to be lamentable for terrible. And then 18 across, stew, when between husbands, so 2 H's for husbands, and when could be as, going in, gives us hash for a stew. 21 across, decided silver book perhaps must be returned, so silver, the symbol is AG, book could be a deer, but if you return that, you get agreed, which we agreed, we decided. 22 across, beer Dane, brewed, so an anagram of beer Dane for a city, and it's going to be Aberdeen, the Granite City. 24 across, top political strategist. Well, political strategy is all about spin, so I suppose somebody who does that, you could say is a spinner, and a spinner, like a spinning top. So that's just a double meaning for 24 across. And then 25 across, suggestion about Queen's houses. So Queen's is often ER. A suggestion, you could say it's a trace, just a hint. Going around ER gives us terrace for a set of houses. And then 26 across, somehow trace online, prejudice. So somehow trace online, it's an anagram of trace online, meaning prejudice, and it's going to be intolerance. Now, on to the down ones. 1 down, arrange, 70% of security. Well, the security you might provide could be collateral, which is 10 letters. You get rid of the last 3, and you get collate, which could mean arrange. Now, this is a tough one. 2 down, jumper, let out. So another word of let for grub. And the jumper, I think, is going to be roo, as in an abbreviation for kangaroo. And it's going to be rootal. I had to look this up. It's a verb to mean to dig, and if you sort of grub about, you can dig. So rootal for 2 down. 3 down, it doesn't even feel cryptic, does it? Mad dog and Englishman go out in the midday sun. So there we go, Englishman. And then 4 down, British sailor. So sailor is going to be ab, and British it could be in the UK. So a UK ab raised going the other way gives us Baku. Which is a capital. And then we've got 5 down, view, certainly, so if you say yes, certainly, restricted by rowers, a rowing 8, so you put yes inside 8, you get eyesight for view. And then 6 down, clever clogs, open of a Kent is K. Short of a boundary, you've maybe got no wall. Stick all that together and you get a no all, which could be a clever clogs. 7 down, lots of damaged blades cut okay. So this is damaged blades cut okay, anagram of blades cut okay, meaning lots of. Nice anagram this. It's bucket loads. And then another dead easy one for 9 down. Risk action when playing Monopoly. Well, that's just going to be take a chance, isn't it? Yes. Take a chance card in Monopoly. 12 down. Child vandalised rental bike. So an anagram of rental bike, meaning a child. Not a very nice term, this, I don't think. Ankle biter for a child. And then 15 down. Trainee occasionally rents. So the sort of alternate letters, in rents. A trainee can be an intern, and it's nothing to do with surfing on a beach or in the sea. It's surfing online. It's the internet. 17 down. Drink hot Italian stuff. So if something's hot, it's in. And IT for Italian. And if you stuff something, you might ram it in. Stick all that on the way up, and you get martini, which is a drink. And then 19 down, adult, extremely short, mature and mean. A for adults, extremely, you could say something's very, but short, you get rid of the last letter. And then if something matures, it ages, and then average is a mean. TT, teetotal, you're dry, you're on the wagon. If you race about, you could run. So a TT race could be a dry run, which is another name for a rehearsal. And then finally, we've just got river over in Belarus. So it's over, it's going backwards in the word Belarus. It's the Ural River. And there we go. So I think we've all learnt a new word today with rootle. Apparently pigs are rootle for truffles and things. So I hope you have a rootling good weekend. Or rest of the week, and I will see you soon.